Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to hide private photos on Samsung Galaxy smartphones. With the most recent One UI 8.5 update, the private album feature was officially released, though it may not be available on your smartphone yet. First of all, in order to hide your photos in a private album, or in order to hide your private photos, you're gonna have to first check software update section in settings and make sure that you are updated to the most recent One UI version. And then if once you are updated, go to your gallery, open menu, and in menu you should be able to see private album feature. Now if you don't see it here, just open menu, go to settings, navigate down to about gallery option, and then tap your gallery version like 11 times until you see gallery labs is enabled. Then navigate down to gallery labs and open it, and here find the private album feature in One UI 7.x or 8.x, and then switch the toggle to the right next to it. After that, close all of your applications, re-enter gallery, and you'll be able to see the private album in here. If you want to hide a private photo in that gallery, you're gonna have to open this photo, tap the three dot icon in the top right corner of the photo, select move to private album, then move to confirm, and then you can access it in private album after entering your lock screen pattern. Here it is. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.